There are a lot of things in IT that you can directly relate to non-technical things. So in this example, use this as a non-technical way to think about a domain versus a workgroup. In a domain environment, let's say you live with your parents. Your parents, they have a big house, you live with them, and all the rules are set by your parents. They dictate when you're a child what time you go to bed, what your chores are. So you follow all the house rules set by your parent. That's comparable to a domain. In a domain environment, when you belong to the domain, you follow all the policies set by administrators within the domain environment, and you simply don't have a choice. Whatever those restrictions are, they apply to you. Well, let's say you move out of your parents' house. Now, in a workgroup environment, we'll say these kids have moved out. Each person sets their own rules. So now the children do whatever it is they want to do. They are their own boss. They have no rules they follow from anyone above them. Clearly, if you're a parent, you know the problems that can lead to when your kids move out for the first time. That's why a domain environment would be advantageous. There's just a structure in place that you do not have with a workgroup. So again, just think of it as in a domain environment, you have rules in place that you have to follow. In a workgroup environment, there are no rules. You just have a high level of autonomy. You can essentially do whatever it is you want to do.